Welcome to Properties of Logarithms Day 1. This is from your worksheet 7.5, Properties of Logarithms. I'll start with the first problem. It says expand each logarithm. So number 1 says log base 5 of a times b. Well, we have to know our properties of logarithms in order to expand. One of the properties of logarithms is that if we're multiplying our y, or our y value, if there's a product there, we can expand that into two different logarithms using addition. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite this as a log with the same base of a, my first part of my product, plus a log with the same base of b, the second part of my product. So I just expanded that using the multiplication property for logarithms. The second part of the worksheet asks us to condense each expression into a single logarithm. So I've chosen to use a little bit more of a difficult one, which is number 14. It says 6 of log base 4 of u minus 5 times log base 4 of v. So here I have to know my properties of logarithms for when I'm multiplying a logarithm and when I'm subtracting logarithms. I'm kind of going backwards from expanding. Well, first of all, let's take a look at this part. 6 times the log base 4 of u. Well, whenever I have a number multiplied in the front, there's a property that says that that number could also be rewritten as the exponent of my variable inside, or not even my variable, but whatever term is inside. So I'm going to go ahead and rewrite both of these logarithms so that I'm going to rewrite this number instead as my exponent. So I have log base 4 of u to the 6th power minus log base 4 of u, or v, to the 5th power. So now that I've rewritten them, there are two logs with the same base. When I have two logs with the same base, and there's no multiplying in the front, adding or subtracting, I can use either the multiplication or the division rule. Well, like I saw in the problem before, if I add two logarithms, I'm going to get a multiplication or a product. So if I subtract two logarithms, I should get a division or a quotient. So I'm going to rewrite this as a quotient of u to the 6th power and v to the 5th power with a log of the same base. So I have log base 4 of u to the 6th power over v to the 5th power. That's it. If you have any questions, please see me in my emails, and I will see you later.